Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and today is like the total opposite of yesterday. Yesterday we had a great day, and I'm like, woo, all excited. I got my tongue out. I'm all excited, right? But today, the total opposite. Brutal day, red day in the entire sector. The whole world, the Dow Jones is crashing, Facebook's down, everybody's down. And Sunniva, oh my goodness. So I get this message in the group chat yesterday saying that this is bad news for Sunniva because Sunniva has news saying that they're not going to be on time with building of their glass greenhouse. Not good news. Then they say that they're going to miss on their revenue estimates. Double bad news. Why would you put this news out, Sunniva? And my question is, I've been watching the stock go down from $5 in May to $2 now in August. Were the insiders selling? Were the insiders selling first? This is what I need to know. Were the insiders selling first? Because if the insiders were selling first, before they dropped this news, and they knew that they were not going to be on time with this, and they were selling first, and we're the shareholders, and we're the ones that get hurt, that just sucks. So I'm not pretty excited right now. I got 10,000 shares of Sunniva that just lost like 50% of its value. So, man, seriously, I don't understand. Sunniva, I'm not very excited. You guys got to do something to create shareholder value and create shareholder confidence and build shareholder equity. And right now, all you're doing is losing shareholder confidence. People are selling in panic right now. And as a shareholder, I feel kind of unhappy. That's just me. That's my opinion. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. I'm holding stock in a company that just lost like almost 50% of its value overnight. And it absolutely sucks. But you know what? As an investor, I know that these things happen. There's always risk in the market. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Invest in the best. The best is blessed. I knew there was a risk investing in Sunniva. They're not Aurora Cannabis. They're not Canopy Growth. Clearly, they made $14 million last quarter in quarterly sales. I thought that things were going in the right direction. Then they put out this news. So right now, I don't know what to do. I'm going to sit and watch. I have two options. I'm not going to sell in a panic. That's not an option for me. So I'm either going to buy more when I find the bottom. And this is the first day of this news. So I have no idea what the bottom is right now, to be honest with you. Right now, I would just be guessing. And number two, my other option would be to just wait it out. So either buy more, option number one, lower my cost, or wait it out. Those are the only two options for me as a trader that I like to look at. I do believe in the company. They still only have 38 million shares issued outstanding. They have a very tight float. So from that perspective, I still think they have huge potential to explode. They were at $5 in May. Why not go back to $5? Yeah, this is bad news. Yeah, this is going to hold them back. But all they need is some good news to turn this around and make everybody forget about the bad news, because the news still is that they are going to be able to get their facility in place by the first quarter of 2020. So it's not that far away. So end of the day, I don't think this is that bad of news. I think it's a very big overreaction. I don't see any reason to panic. But if you want to sell for a loss, hey, you can do whatever you want to do. I won't do that. I'm either going to lower my cost, which means I'm going to buy more to lower my price that I bought it at and get more shares for cheap, because I think this is just a speed bump for a company that has a lot of potential. They've been considered and called the Canopy Growth of Cali. So from that perspective, I think this might be a buying opportunity, but I'll keep you guys updated. This is Rich from Rich TV Live, giving you my update and perspective on my investment in Sunniva. Not excited, not happy about the news that they put out. I knew it was going to go down, had no clue it was going to go down this much. I do think it's an overreaction, but at the end of the day, the market's going to go where it's going to go. Where's it going to go next? Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Sunniva. Oh, Sunniva. Sunniva.